You know, I'm there, Robert Lightbird. No me ever run errand. Yeah, man, but once me stop by and me see the animal them, you know me already. I have to show you what I got. Two little cow calf. Man, pretty. Jamaica neighborhood watch. Yeah, man.
Enough love, grandpa there. Peace.
Alright, Christmas. One love, one heart.
Grandpa is here trying to make a about West Channel so we can understand that in health is health. Yeah, so we are here to well the interview.
Hustling, we say. Food and feed, fitness, we go to school. Love life and youth.
Blessings. Trouble not set like rain. Get up. Get about and do the right thing. Walk with the Most High every time. It's a blessing.
You get more struggle, Taylor. The more success you reap, this is the more you will see people rise against you for nothing.
Gudong shop na aslapa. Me can't. Why not look out for your brother and sister daily? Why not when you see your brother and sister daily, you ask them some positive questions? Morning, sir. Evening, sir. Morning, ma'am. Evening, ma'am. Have you eaten from morning? How are you feeling today? Yes, man. Are the simple things you do and are the simple things in our life matters? Yes, man. Simple things them are your blessing. If you ever look past the simple things them and I look towards the evil, because trust me, you have some people, they will go the extra mile, as I say, just to make you uncomfortable in a real life. Just to situate that you can't live better than them. Yeah, man. But may I tell you, as a ghetto youth, whole heap of pressure to face. Whole heap of bring down. Yeah, man. Whole heap of little, yeah, you know? But you know the energy. Stay strong, man. And go and put in the work. This is Jamaica yard life. Up and about another day, giving thanks to life as usual. Woo! You know me already. Yeah, man. I'm back on the block. Up and about today, I'm there married day. Yeah, man, it's a blessing. But I'm gonna show you around. Yeah, man, so just stick around. You see what I want. Yeah man, the general there, you know. Solid. Yeah man, from school days them when I ever open a boat and I was hard work in Jamaica, you know.
Alright, well done.
Blessings man. Alright, Jamaica yard life, we open a boat another day. Yeah man, I'm there with Gabanga, you know. Dope poetry. Yeah man, and the general say, yo, got you. You have to go for an angle. Yeah man. Them got you. You see me? So the dog say, yo, you want to give me something new. You see?
I watch you, and we are talking about the girl them hot, you know. You have some girl not hot in a nothing, but here when I say girl, hot in a white and you hot in a black, hot in a skirt and you hot in a frock. Anytime you see in a tights, you me have to stop you. The hotter girl, them can't chat a girl, nobody can stop a girl. Are you girl?
Oh dear, blessings man. And we out here to the right thing, the general. Everybody upon the
Yard vibes, hustling we say.
Alright.
Food and feed, Pitney African School, love life and youth.
Blessings.
Big up.
See that? Yeah man, it's a blessed day. We open a boat and a married day with it, you see me? Gabanga. Dog poet. Whole heap of talent there, yeah, then. Yeah man, so time to come here, go see what I want. So let's get some time. This is really hard, man. It's a blessed day. I feel line up to go in a mother's disease, so I go, you see me? You know, party nice already. Give me a call just now and I tell me, say, yo, you crash, you see it? Yeah man, and this saw the machine look. But I'm grateful, say I'm alright still, you see me? Yeah man, life is one of the most important things. Yeah man, I tell you, Jamaica yard life, I tell you, say, yo, life, really important. Yeah man, value your friends, value your family. You never know when it can be the last time you're going to see them. Yes man, right now I'm just happy, full of that whole joy, you know. You know, say I'm bridging there, see him up on a boat, man. In the line and wait for to get served, yeah man, but you know what, you have to social distance, so yeah man. We have to live, you know, we have to do it. This is your really hard life. Stick around, a lot more coming. It's a blessing. Be here with Delhi, you know. Yeah, man. Real brother from school days. Scout brother, you know. It's a blessing. Peace. I got like open about it, home here. But then more, same way. Yeah, man, I come do up a small mats. It's a blessing. Place look pretty. I like the changes we're going to mark, you know. Wow. Love it. Love my little island, you know. Yeah man, love it with all my heart. Yes man. Island. Yeah man, I love it with all of my heart, yeah. It's a blessed day and we're open about in the countryside. Yeah man. Farm store we stop by. Trust me, it's a blessing man. Come here and see the birds them up and about. Yo, pigeons in the bay. Yeah man, it's a blessing, real blessing. But anyway, come along man, we are growing our farm store. Show y'all what's popping. Yeah. Get up. Get about and do the right thing. Yes man. Up on about today I'm at the farm store now. Yeah man, you know me ever run come get a few items. It's a blessing. Yeah man, but I can't pass them sight when I see them. You know me is the one I love the animals too hard. Yeah man. So I always just stop by. Yeah. Take a good look on the fishes. Ooh. You cute kitty. You don't know me though. Big up yourself. Yeah man. Big up yourself. Yeah. I now make a nibble on my finger, look. Yeah. Yeah, man, not like country life, eh? It's a blessing, real blessing. Alright, Kitty, man, I have nothing for you. Yeah, man, at the farm store pussy, no? Remind me of my cat so much. Yo! Alright, it's a morning. Big up yourself, yeah, look for war up dog though. Yeah, man. What your name? What your name? Tell me what your name now. Your name Marant Bay. Me name you from today. Your name Marant Bay. Yo, Jamaica is a pretty place, you know. Extremely beautiful. Trust me. It's a blessing. Blessings one and all. It's a blessed day, you know. Jamaica yard life, and we're up and about another day. Giving thanks to life as usual. Yeah, man. I want to say a special shout out to all my subscribers. Yes, man. Give thanks to the strength, you know. 1,000,000 times over. Yeah, man. We get a message the other day. Yeah, man. A message of encouragement, you know. Wow. Real blessing. Yeah, man, 200,000 views. Yeah, man, so right there, sir. Congratulations to the Jamaica Yard Life team, you know. Yeah, man. Up and about. And I do the right thing. Yes, man. Come with me. You want to feel like you live at Jamaica, you want to feel like you live at Yard. Try with me. Yeah, man. Like, share, and subscribe. Yes, man. As we have a lot to show y'all. And this is just a tip of the iceberg. Trust me. Country life, you know, real country life. No preservative. No additive. Yes, man. Stick around. You might see somebody where you know. Stick around. You might see me in your yard. Yeah, man. But you know me already. Once you see me, a positive energy will bring. This is yard. Yes, man. All natural, you know? Yeah, man. Sun I come up right now. And the countryside look magnificent.
Jamaica yard life rough. Live it up and big it up.
Yeah,
youth
man.
and youth link.
Yeah, man. We have to live, you know? Joke than that. It's a blessing, man. But you know where energy go. We keep the positive and we deal. We just dash with the negative. Yeah, man. Better tomorrow. Yeah, man. Make a change within yourself, you see? Yeah, man. that you all alright, up and about, and doing quite fine. Yeah, man. You know me already. Sorry. Yeah, man, you know me already. Always up and about. Yes, man. I'm there down by Coal a lot. Yeah, man. You know me ever run errands, so from time to time, when I can, I help out a situation. Yes, man. You have to do what you have to do. Daily. Yeah, man. A better tomorrow. Yeah, man. Make a change, man. Look within yourself. Free up. Leg off of the negative energy. Let's enjoy this, man. Look at God. Look at God's creation. Trust me. It was placed here to make all of we happy. Yeah, man. To make all of we comfortable. Sad how we are destroyed. Look at that. It's a blessing. Roger up on the work, you know. Hard working Jamaican. Very hard working. He's a man who get up before daylight and up and about. Take care of the pig them. Yeah, man, but I show you around the farm. Yeah, man, I have to show you around the farm. I really like. Progress, man. The youth say in the countryside, nah, sit down, you know. We don't have time for that. I see you. You have to get up, get about, and do the right thing. And this is Roger and the work. So far, it's a blessing. Yeah, man. Youngster them a grow up there. Yeah, man. Nice and pretty. Yeah, man. You soon get the zinc, man, for you to fight, bro. You see, that is a matter of time, you know? Yeah, man, I Roger flock this, you know? Yeah, man, Roger is fantail and cutterhead pigeon. Yeah, man, and him say my plan for upgrade to other birds. Yeah, man, probably some budgie and you know it go. A whole lot more, man. But give it some time. It's a working process. Yes, man. Game foul them over this side. Yo. Yeah, man, game foul them a feed, you know. And we get quite a few more game foul on the block, but give it some time. Yeah, man, if you get some from Yalas and Roger say him have some link going off. Get some more from his it. Yeah, man. But this is hard, man. Show you all around, you know. It's a blessing. Real blessing. Soon taking up a hills. Show no how going. Yeah, man, me soon carrying up a hill top there. Yeah, man, because Roger have another farm, you know. Well, more than one farm. When you're in a country, you can't do one thing, you know. You have to be versatile. So when the work done a yard, you got a bush. And the work done a bush, you got a river. Yeah, man, you school out and wait for the produce them to come in. Breadfruit there enough. Real blessing, you know. And the sun just coming up over the horizon, you know. Yeah, man. So stick around. As soon as it get brighter, you see what I'm going. Yo. I'm day up on the work, you know. Yeah, my general I run going. On the work, you know, energy go. Once in their country, everybody up and about, you know. Always I do the right thing. Yeah, man. Brother. Blow, you see that? I'll be there, vlog. You see Russian there, you know. Yeah, man, my number one subscriber, you know.
Yeah, big up, man, you know.
The blessings every time, man. Yeah, man. So, we have to give thanks to life, it's natural, you know. Yeah, man, are hard working, man. Ever up and about and I look out for the best for him youth, for him family.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Straight.
I want big up Barber said speed.
Yeah, man.
Hard working general. Plastic. One love, bro.
Up.
Yeah, man. Every time, man. And we're there, you know, and this is what country is like. We're always keeping it real and positive. Yeah, man. Blessings, brother Bob. Yeah, man. Brother Bob there, you know. Pastor. I have to give him a shout out, you know. So blessings every time to brother Bob. Yeah, man. Now open up shop, so stick around, I'll show you all what's popping.